Have you ever wondered if the state can end up with your property? Very common question I get from time to time is, if I die and I don't have a will and I don't have any estate planning done, will the state take my property? And the answer is maybe. Probably not, but it is possible. Well, how does it happen? If you've done no planning, you don't have a trust in place, you don't have a will in place, so you've really just kind of left it up to the state to decide what to do with your property, they will. That doesn't mean they're going to take it. What they're going to do is they're going to look to the statute. So the court looks to a particular statute under Colorado law that says where your property should go if you didn't make that decision beforehand. Well, it's a complicated statute, and it's very, very particular to your circumstances, because if you've got blended families, parents are alive, spouse, no spouse, children, all the different circumstances can vary the answers. There's no way I can do it without knowing your particular circumstances. But generally speaking, your family will get the property first. So it'll go to the spouse and to the children. And if you have no spouse or children and they have no children of their own, then it can go to your parents, and beyond that to your siblings, nieces and nephews, aunts and uncles, on and on and on. Ultimately, it is possible that the state does get your property if no one can be found. Well, how do we solve this? Because even if the state's not going to get your property, I can tell you by doing this practice, estate planning, for many, many years, that the statute probably is not going to give your property where you want it to go. Well, how do you solve that? Get a will done. Get your trust done. Get your estate plan in order so you decide where your property is going to go. Don't leave it up to chance. I can promise you that what the statute does is not what you're going to want. And that's because it's generalized and you're an individual. You've got your own wants and needs, family dynamics. Bill Henry here again. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. Happy to answer them for you, and I'll talk to you next time.